How to embed TikTok feed on Shopify. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial, and if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments. But let's get started. So over here I have my website. So this is a page I just have right over here, and what I want to do is add a TikTok feed, for example, under my blog post, just a random idea. Then what I want to do for that is use a website called Elfsight. Now this is a website that has a lot of different widgets that you can use in basically any website. So over here there's a bunch of them, as you can see, and I want to click on the TikTok feed widget right over there. Now by the way, I do have a direct link to this page in the description now, as well as a regular link to their website. But once you are here, then you have 6 different templates that you can choose to use. So the masonry dark, masonry colored, carousel, slider, and the small widget. Now let's say you want to add the masonry right over here, then simply click on continue with this template. And then here you have to add a source. Now you can either add a profile or hashtag. Now for you, you probably just want to add a profile, but I don't really have a TikTok profile. So I'll just put a random hashtag, for example, for you page. Because just to show you guys how it will actually look like, because if you would put your own profile in here, it would look the same, but with your profile's videos. So then click add to website. And here you will have to create an account. Now I already have one, so I'll continue with Google. And then once you are here, you can still customize everything you would like to. And once you are happy with this, you want to click on the green publish button in the top right corner, and then you will get to this page. Now over here, there is a free version, as you can see, but it's actually very limited. Now, if you want to be less limited, then there are paid versions. If you first choose the light version, so the free one, and then go to deals right over here, you actually have a welcome discount coupon, which is available for 24 hours and saves you 20%. So maybe do that first and then go ahead and choose a different plan and upgrade. So it will save 20%. At the time of this recording, there is actually a discount code available. Then once you have chosen that, you want to click on install, and then this code will pop up. You want to copy the code just like that, go back to your store. Now this is where the complicated part comes in, because Shopify is just weird like that, where each theme functions differently. So for the Dawn theme that I have, I can simply add a section and then choose the custom liquid in order to add HTML codes. Now if you have a completely different theme than I do, then it might be completely different as well. Now you want to search on YouTube how to do that for your specific theme, and hopefully you will figure it out. So I will simply click on custom liquid, and then at the top right corner, I can paste the code in here, and yeah, that is basically it. Then I'll just hit save, and I'll just have to wait for it to load, and there you go. We have now gotten the TikTok feed. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.